Hi, my name is Keshav Agarwal, and I would like to support Arvind Kejriwal to be the next Prime Minister of this country. I don't think that he has even a remote chance to become a PM in these elections, but if it were up to me, I would like to give him a chance to govern this country. I think his answers are much more honest than what I have heard from BJP or Congress. I think he has shown willingness to do something which is different. Maybe he's sometimes wrong, maybe not always correct, but he's ready to learn. And I think the attitude and the integrity matters most, and capability is something that comes after that. So keeping that in mind, I think Arvind Kejriwal is the best option that we have today. Well, compared to Rahul, I think Modi is far more mature, far more strong as a person, as a candidate, as a governor. But I think given the choice that we have, seeing that Aam Aadmi Party has now come up, I think we have to be more fair in our assessment. And when I compare the two, I think BJP has got a lot of baggage and they have not answered those questions honestly up till now. As compared to that, AAP has a clean slate. There is one line that I always use. I have some doubts over what the intentions of Aam Aadmi Party are, but I have absolutely no doubt of what the intentions of BJP and Congress are. So I'll give a benefit of doubt to Aam Aadmi Party rather than try BJP and Congress once more.